Hey Baker! So you've been practicing, the compliments are rolling in, and now you are thinking, how do I get my first baking job or order? I've been there. Starting can feel scary, but I'm here to give you real tips that helped me and will help you get that first gig, even as a beginner. The number one tip: start with people you know. Your first clients are usually around you, your family, friends, neighbors, co-workers. Let them know you bake. Show them pictures or give them a free taste if you can. People trust who they know. One small birthday cake for a cousin could lead to 3 more from their friends. Tip number 2: create a starter menu. Don't offer everything. It keeps you focused and makes it easier for people to say yes when they see your options. Tip number 3: post your work online. Even if you are new, you don't need a huge page or a fancy camera. Use your phone, good lighting, post clear pictures of your cakes. Tip number 4: offer a small discount or first timer deal. Say something like, I'm offering a special price for the first 5 people who order while I build my baking brand. That creates urgency and gives you experience without selling yourself short. Tip number 5: deliver more than expected. Make their order look neat. Be polite. Add a handwritten thank you note. Even a free cupcake with a cake order can make someone smile and recommend you. People don't just buy your cake, they buy the experience. Tip number 6: collect feedback and testimonials, which we also call reviews. After the order, ask them, how did you like it? Can I post your review? This helps you build trust with others and makes your page look real. Tip number 7: believe in yourself. Listen, your first gig won't be perfect, but it's the start of something big. Start with what you have, where you are, and grow from there. Every big baker you admire once took that first bold step too. Now it's your turn. So go ahead, put yourself out there, bake your best, share your work, and trust your journey. This is Cakes by La Unique, and where we bake with love, passion, and a sprinkle of magic. See you in the next class.